Hello friends, welcome back. This is CRAFTOLOGER trier box number 40 and the MRP of this box is 1535 rupees, but I am giving in 1000 rupees free shipping. I have only one box with me. इसका और random कोई भी box नहीं available होगा. So please it's my request to everyone कि please आप देख लें अच्छे से video then order करें. You are getting this MDF stuff. You can see the quality. You are getting some moon shaped rings. There are so many. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can see this chipboard in MDF stuff. You are getting two palette knives. You are getting some metallic gold chalk paint. Shake well while using. All the details are mentioned. You are getting one packet of mixed media stuff. One more flat packet of mixed media. You are getting this resin stones. In mixed media also you can use in jeweled cloth wherever you want to use. You are getting this ring. You are getting this embellishment. This is one fridge magnet. This is the one element. This is the one. You can use this in resin also. One sponge set. This is one again fridge magnet. You are getting this one shaker. You are getting these kinds of embellishments in this. You can make it keychains or fridge magnets wherever you want to use. There are so many I am giving you in this. This one and these two and these three also. So I am giving in 1000 rupees. So there are so many things. If we going to count ना तो देखो कितना ज़्यादा बनेगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 28 29 30 plus items are there. So it's a very good thing you are getting in a very good amount. So this box number is 40. The MRP is 1500 plus. So the MRP of this is 1500 plus, and I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. Thank you.